Hey, what's up, Reef Finance coin holder? What's going on this time, my friend? The refinance price is increased now. Urgently, you can see a level starting moving upward, so I can't expect this, my friend, from refinance to level moving upward like that. But in this month, my brothers, refinance is completely make a new records in the crypto, my friend. Especially in previous days in the mid of month, my friend, refinance completely go to the moon and unbelievable change occurring. So therefore, I love, my friend, Anchor coin, and I think, my friend, I recommend all of you to please hold down and don't starting selling, because I'm 100% sure, my friends, in upcoming time at the end of this month they will give you a very huge profit. So I think you will need, my friends, to hold down and don't starting selling. I hope, my friends, in upcoming time they will give you a very huge profit. So please don't miss this chance. Take a risk and get 100% profit. Please, if you want to get a profit in very short time, I think, my friends, refinance is one of the good option. Alright holders, so in upcoming time the very huge explosion coming soon. My friend, about the new next huge explosion, especially, my friend, when a short-term investor are stop selling and they are starting holding, then every coin will completely get a profit and going to starting moving upward. But, my friends, if a holder are starting selling, then the coin is go to garbage. So try to understand, my viewer, my subscriber. In upcoming time, I hope to refinance will win this now. So see you next time, holder. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Allah Hafiz, take care.